Hey guys, hi and welcome to the video. You have learned about arrays, strings and data types, right? Now it's time to learn basically about functions in Node.js. So let's get started. So I'm going to write a couple of functions. So I'm going to write a function which will return nothing, right? It's basically a void function. So the way you could write function, you can say function. Let us write a function that will display on hello greetings. So let's call this function as greetings, right? And I'm going to pass in a message, right? And let us do console.log basically, which will basically print a message. So now if you don't know, you can use the backtick, which is right beside the one number on your keyboard. So backtick, right? And you can say name. So you can use a placeholder, right, in Node.js. Like you can say dollar followed by the brackets, and then you can say message. So basically this is just like a string formatting like in Python. All right, oops, what am I saying? So like in Python we can do like this, right? And then we write whatever variable here. So it's similar, right? All right, so the way you call this function is basically you can say greetings, right? And you pass. All right, that's it. That's all your functions, right? So let us run this function. So we can say node n4.js. Oops, was it n4? No, my bad. It's t3. So node t3.js, right? And here you can see we can have a message known as name is hello, right? So this is how you can write a very simple function and pass arguments, right? There is something also called as zero functions, or which has no names, right? Let us write a very simple zero function. So right, let's write a zero function. Alright, so I'm gonna write a zero function. So basically zero function is something like this function which has no name, and it's gonna do some operation. Let's say it's gonna log a value. So right now just saying logged, right? So now if I want to invoke this function, if I just run this, it won't work, right? So if I want to show you that or prove it to you, t3, so name is hello. So this one did not run, right? So the variable name f, right? So this is how you can run the function. Now if I run here, you can see log. So this is a zero function, right? So this is all you need to know about functions, right? And let me also just show you about the condition statements. So we have an if condition, like a bracket, right? We have if conditions, else conditions, and we have if else conditions, and so on. So this is a very basic syntax, right? Now in the next video I'll be covering about classes, what are classes, and we'll be doing some object oriented. We'll be creating a very simple class. We'll learn about static variable, static methods, how to call static methods, how to define functions in a class. So see you in the next video.